are you today? And welcome to today's science experiment. Are you ready? Good. Okay, so today we are talking and seeing what things happen when they mix. When we mix some things, they can go together and dissolve and nothing happens. But sometimes when we actually mix some things together, they stay apart. How strange. So, I have today an experiment. I have a container. Again, this can be a jar. This is a plastic container. It can be a jar. It can be a big cup. It can be whatever you want. A bottle, whatever you like, or as long as you can see, as long as you can put something inside of it, put the water inside of it. So we have here, I have put water inside till about here, if you can see. So about here, good. Okay, and I have oil. Okay, so I'm going to put in a bit of oil. I'm going to do it till about here. It's not, I think I'm going to have more water than oil, but I've got enough oil to see. So, some oil in. Just to about there. There we go, a little bit more. Okay. Let's see, we'll just wait a second and see if we need to put some more in. As we can see here, we have the oil and the water separate. How strange. If I get our stick or a cooking stick to stir it around, even if you use a spoon, anything, let's see if I stir it, if it mixes, it stays apart. What? Why? If I stir it, mixing it, it stays apart. Can you see? How strange. Well, this is not mixing. Maybe you guys can help Ms Ursula and find out why it's not mixing. That would be good. You guys can find some information. Why does the oil and the water not mix even when I stir it hard and it stays apart? Okay, so now I'm going to see. I have food coloring. What color is this? Blue, good. Okay, let's see if it mixes. I'm going to put in about 3 or 4 drops. Let's see what happens. So the drops are in. We can see. Let's see if the drops go past the oil to the water or if they stay on the oil. Look at this. They stay because they're inside, we can see. They stay with the oil. They do not go down to the water. Wow, let's see what happens if I mix it this time. See if I mix the food coloring. Wow, there the color mixes, but even if the color mixes, the oil stays at the top. Wow, so water and oil and the food coloring stays at the top, even if I mix it. Isn't that amazing? That is absolutely amazing. Wow. Well, thank you so much, everyone. Your task is for you guys to find out why it doesn't mix. And let me know. Maybe you can tell me through a video or a picture, anything. Thank you so much for listening to our lovely science experiment, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye!